The RVK Stair Connection is an innovative solution to the question of how to connect precast concrete staircases. It's a standard prefabricated connection used between stair landing and wall. It provides a hidden connection. The erection is quick and no site work is necessary with bolts, welding, or corbels. The unit consists of two hollow rectangular tubes, the smallest of which slides within the other and is accessible from the surface of the concrete. The RVK comes in two different sizes, the RVK 40, which is good for an ultimate capacity of 9 kips, and the RVK 100, whose ultimate load is 22 kips. The production of the RVK can either be tied in with the reinforcing or fixed or clamped to the side form with the assistance of a mandrel or tapered guiding piece. The access hole must be covered to prevent concrete from leaking into the unit. JVI offers a sample reinforcing detail which accommodates a typical stair application. In a typical Z stair landing, there are 2 connections per landing which will connect to an oversized pocket in the adjoining wall panel. The erection is also simple. With the inner tube retracted, just lift the stair landing up into position. Slide the inner tube out into the oversized pocket in the adjoining wall panel, and the inner tube rests upon a JVI mast cord bearing pad. We invite you to consider using the RVK Stair Connection on a future job. Here's a testimonial from one of our satisfied customers.
They're difficult to erect, and in the past the method was on our walls we had to put big plates and then at some point lay out and weld big shelf angles, either in the field or in the plant. Layout was important, a lot of welding. Then once the shelf angles were in, it made it hard to thread the stairs down through the stair shaft if you did too many of them, so you pretty much had to take it in the field a level at a time, which was slow. With the RVKs, it became much quicker. You slide the stairs down in there, slide the bearings out, cut it loose, and go to the next one. The architects like it because it makes a very clean looking stairwell. You don't have painted plates or galvanized plates underneath every landing and every stair that are exposed, so it's all real clean looking. Oh, you know, it cuts the time in the plant, I would say, in half, because in the old way you really had to have 2 plates, one on the top and one on the bottom to bear on, one on the top to weld to stabilize, you know, once it ties to the wall, and it eliminated all that. So now you're putting one fixture in, and so you're cutting the number of plates, the time to try to tie them in and make sure they're good and flat, or bolt them, or however you need to secure them. It cuts the production time in half as far as embed installation. Then in the field, with not having to weld shelf angles on and hoping to get them in the right place and all that, I would say it cut stair erecting time probably in half as far as man hour, because it didn't just take any time at all for an iron worker to slide those over and be done with it and cut the piece loose and go to the next one.